would hurt like a polar bear falling down a mountain. I bet it spikes. Lots of snow on the ground here.
Cycling's not here.
Oh no, no skiing for science here.
Is that right?
Is that a really blue sky? What a beautiful day for skiing. Oh, that's on video.
Yeah, well, there's no point giving it to me now because...
Why not? You said you wanted it.
Yeah, well that was when there was mountains on my side.
Oh, you should have told me.
That's what I said.
Oh well, I got a cool sunny blue sky now.
See if we can find any polar bears.
That is the best idea I've had all day. Going hunting for polar bears. It zoomed right into